my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like
After all the trailers, teasers, and fight scenes, what we need in our lives are, again, we're coming back to music. Music reactions, guys. Which one should I start with? Should we go with the Danda's Underground? You guys have been telling me underground, underground, underground. I'm gonna go to the underground with Danda. Let me just check this. Who are the people behind this? Underground by Dhanda Nyoliwala is here, a powerful anthem of grit, hustle, and staying true to your roots. Alright. Singer, lyrics, composer, Dhanda himself. Music is by Naved Sultan. Director is Deepesh Goyal. Alright. I guess we caught them all. Let's go. There's no caps as always. It's a Haryanvi track. And let's... Wait. I haven't recorded yet. My bad. It's my bad. I'm ready to roll, guys. VYRL Haryanvi presents. We never go down. Okay. My man, suit up. He's famous now. With the paps and the car, it shows status and fame. Rose partying in Dubai. The sound is so good. Banger again. Look at his watches. All diamond studded. Let's go. Is it Rolly? That's what we're reading? Got a gramophone. He's got the guts up. No one's touching him. Gigi Hadid. He's getting all the girls. He's got style. Who's that? Who's saying this song? We never going down. Hey. There's Russian bandana on the screen. We have actually checked out the song, so if you haven't yet, go check it out. It's on the channel. The sound of this one is definitely commercial. That's something that you can play in a club, right? He didn't flex a lot on this one. The car, the watch, the girls, the parties that he goes to, the paps, all the flashing lights, right? So, yes, this is a powerful anthem. He always makes it sound good. He always brings the best side of Haryanvi to the world, and we are here for it. Bring it on. Bring more to us. Let's go to the comments now. Haryanvi history will remember your name in shining golden letters. Bro is international, so I get what he's saying. A certified banger Dhanda on repeat. Even I'll be adding this to my playlist. Dhanda by always high. Dhanda by always high. Love heart. High on life probably, right? Galat bande ne music seekh liya. I think it's a way of compliment, right? Like he is bringing the fire. So fire, big fan. Fire, big fan from Nepal. So yeah, everybody's tuning in from all the fucking countries. Rajasthan se kaun hai? Whoever, raise your hands. Any Rajasthanis in the house? Bro is really looking like a gangster. Fire. The black fit of the black glasses. Yeah, he did look like a gangster for sure. I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, oh no, we have one more tag to get to. I forgot. And the next song is, it's Sheriya official music video. This is by ARJN X KDS or Kids X RONN. Let's look more into this. RONN is a producer, written by ARJN and KDS, okay, and Suhas Moidian. Mix master Ashbin Paulson. Directed by Jibin Joseph, and there's a lot of members rest in the crew. We can just get to the music. Alright, let's jump.
Ron, did you make this?
RONN did make this. I can't hear the dialogues. Malabar. Okay. The beef, bro. It's them, the crew. They're growing. They're the wild boys. Let's go for the victory.
Check the discography. Talapinne mumbala kutara. They don't like Kali. Palamata Kali chata madutara. Nee ketadu Sheriya. Kadalaki verana kombana talachadu Sheriya. Nee ketadu Sheriya.
This track.
Chadunale naatila periyal. Nee ketadu Sheriya. Kalam maridu nerin paadagal Sheriya. Sheriya.
And we are on the rise. The Malabar boys is coming for success. What was wonderful.
Nee ketadu Sheriya. Kadalaki varana kombana talachadu Sheriya. Nee ketadu Sheriya. Vittugul vadachadu naale naatile periyal.
Hey, we got the Komban.
Maridu nerin paadagal Sheriya.
What a track, man. Sorry.
Sacrifices are invisible, and the grind is silent.
Money
But you're
was.
gonna see the results for sure. Just two of our boys coming out, but the whole gang putting in work. Greatest on the rise, baby. Fuck them other guys.
We are for life. Yo.
The place. Oh, we done. The boys coming in with the swag of yes, we are in the scene and we will stay. We are in for the rise. I have already tamed the beast. Now what's left is for me to rise. See guys, when you go down, there's only one way, which is up. And the boys are saying they are there. They are there now. The whole world was in black and white, so they did give out the integrity vibe. You know, others who run after the limelight and us being the light ourselves. The ornamental beats on this one was the main highlight of the entire fucking track. Of course, your voices just blended in, but the track, the beat, that was pure, guys. That was pure banger. Let's just go to the comments and end this one. A Lockett Kandal Myra in the Chalapo Tonum. The MVR. Oh, that was the. That's what it meant. All. That's what it meant. It did. It could. It could be. Anyone on October 2nd. Oh yeah, I'm here on October 2nd, guys. We're watching on the same date. Power, Kathi, haha. The comments are just very one-worded. Super song. There you go. Sheriya, nee to the Sheriya. They've written the lyrics down. It's climbing the charts. I am just obsessed with the banger and I would be too. It's a very good track. Sheriya, it is the best ever. Come on, the people are agreeing too. It's not just me. Old is gold, Sheriya is gold. It is gold. It is gold. And they are aiming for the gold. All of yours. I'm just kidding. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit on that bell icon so you get notified every single time a new video is uploaded. And when something new comes in, do drop it down in the comments. I will see you on the next one. Until then, goodbye.
No filter, I got no filter.